Hi. Okay, so this will be actually like a battery university because I've done a lot of research about batteries over the last few years, and I have here the most common batteries, which are called 18650, and the name is because the size of the battery. And I have many kinds of these cells, and I can tell you that you have these cells in many applications, from laptop until Tesla cars, and you have it in electrical bikes, and also in Segway. And the most common powerful batteries that you have today is the 18650 battery. Now there are many manufacturers for this kind of batteries, so you have the very high quality like LG type, which is a new battery, about a little over 1 or 2 years in the market, and these cells are 3000 milliampere hours. And you have the Panasonic batteries that are usually from 2000 till 3400 basically. And what is special about these batteries is that you have protective cells, which means you have a circuit inside the battery that will protect the battery from exploding, overcharge, overheat, and over discharge also. And these are, by the way, Segway cells taken out from the original i2 Segway. And I have here some Chinese batteries that is written 2200 milliampere per hour. I will test them, of course we can test those. And another batteries from electrical bike. And what I can tell is that some of the manufacturers are writing, of course, wrong data in order to manufacture and to sell the cells. And some of the good manufacturers are writing a very exact data. For example, these Panasonics, I measured them and they have the exact capacity that should be in each cells. Also the LG, tested them, very accurate data. And we will do some tests and talk about it and see what are the dangerous things about these cells. And these can be dangerous. Although the new IMR technology is more reliable for, let's say, disasters, but don't forget that these cells are dangerous. Okay, so we will do some tests, and as the time go and fly, I will give some additional data. For example, in LG cells we have inside vent holes, which means that if a disaster occurs, it will be giving the vaping of dangerous chemicals out in order to protect you from the dangerous of the exploding. And you have Chinese cells that you can't very trust for disaster cases. And this is all. And also, if you're not sure about which battery and you are new in this technology, I recommend to use the protective cells, which are very easy to recognize by the wire that is going from the positive to the negative in order to supply voltage to the protective circuit inside the cell. And this battery basically can be discharged about 4 and 5 amps continuously, and if it is higher than the protective circuit will stop the discharge. And you have Segway cells that each cells can supply more than 10 amp continuous current, and in the Segway you have few cells in parallel, so it is much higher current out per running the motors that can consume a lot of energy while using them. That's all for now. So I will give some more details, and we will do some measurement, and we will test the actual capacity, and we will see that the good brands have what is written in the battery, and the bad is just a number that is not real. Thank you for now.